If you are considering studying MBBS in Nepal, then Lumbini Medical College will be the best option for you. Few hours of drive from the Indian border of Sonauli, you can reach at the beautiful city of Palpa. Lumbini Medical College has been a game changer in the field of medical sciences.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Mahaval, Doctor and Head of Microbiology of Lumbini Medical College. I am here in this college for almost 4 years plus. I find this college very good. Students from India are there also along with Nepali students.
On the land of birthplace of Gautam Buddha lies a peaceful medical institution. After the establishment in 2008, Lumbini Medical College has been producing hundreds of quality doctors every year. Students from many international destinations are here at Tansen Palpa to fulfill their dreams.
Myself Prashant Kumar San. I am from Katihar, Bihar, and I am pursuing my MBBS here in the Lumbini Medical College. I am final year student.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम देवेश यादव है। मैं गोरखपुर उत्तर प्रदेश का हूँ।
Hello, myself Kishore Gaurav. I am from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. I am final year student of Lumbini Medical College.
Hi, myself Prakhar Jain. I am from Surat, Gujarat, and I am a final year student of Lumbini Medical College.
I am Abir Prasad. I am from Madhya Pradesh, Gwalior. I got admitted in this college in 2017. Now I am currently studying in the final year.
Hello, my name is Swarna Srivastav and I am a final year student of Lumbini Medical College.
Hi, I am Riya Suman from Patna, Bihar. I am a final year student. This place is very good for those who are willing to come here. You can definitely come and take admission in Lumbini Medical College. It is very good environment wise and it is a very safe place for girls also.
This is Richa Gupta from 10th batch of Lumbini Medical College. I am from Gorakhpur.
Hi, I am Shrishti Sehgal. I am from 10th batch. Studying from Lumbini Medical College, Nepal, and I am from Kanpur.
As per them, they have always felt like a home here in LMC. Received many awards for the quality in education, Lumbini Medical College is known best for the faculties and the quality education.
Namaste, good evening. Myself Dr. Raju Sakke, the principal of Lumbini Medical College, Tansen Pravas. I am the associate professor in the emergency department. So if you talk about the Lumbini Medical College, this is the only one medical college situated in the hilly region of Nepal. So this is affiliated to Kathmandu University, and this college was established in 2005 December 6, around 17 years ago. So this college has 3 different disciplines, especially we have MBBS and post-graduation as well as a BSc nursing program. So in MBBS, seat has been allocated for 100 students. For BSc nursing, around 40 seats have been allocated. For PG program, that was we had already run this program in 2015. So we have different disciplines in the PG program too also.
Situated at the beautiful hilly town of Tansen, LMC is surrounded by beautiful scenic landscape and favorable weather. Residential facilities has added ease to the lifestyle of students. 5-star graded labs and library are the major attraction of LMC. Fulfill your dreams to become a successful doctor. Admission open at Lumbini Medical College, Tansen.